Dermaplaning basically is a fancy word for shaving your face, which used for ladies. I know many of people doing it. They already know, you might already know how to do it, but there are some stuff about dermaplaning that you definitely are doing it wrong and you didn't know about it. I'm gonna let you know, which you can get the best out of your dermaplaning after knowing and applying these. So I'm gonna show you also how I do dermaplaning on my face. I am using the cutthroat razor. I'm going to introduce two nice razors for this purpose that you can just get for yourself. I will leave the link at the description box of the video. I'm very happy with this because this has 180 or maybe 360 angle, which I can easily go all around my face and do it perfectly. And it doesn't come with the blades. You have to get the blades separately, which I will link down the blades as well. And let's go and fix the blade on it, and then I'll tell you the first secret. Okay, so this box is coming in half blades, so it's easy to fix it. So I have opened one blade here, and this is the one that I'm using, and I'm very happy with it. Very high quality. I just open it like that, and then I fix the blade over these two dots like that, and then I close it carefully and slowly. So once I fixed it, I closed the top and it's ready. Okay, so basically I know that you've heard all over that if you want to dermaplane your face, you need to just clean your face, of course, and then after you need to apply an oil like coconut oil or any oil like a sweet almond oil or anything, and then you can just start dermaplaning. Well, that's very wrong. You really do not need to apply any oil on your face, and do not think that your skin is gonna go too dry while you're dermaplaning. Actually, it's opposite side. If you do not apply the oil, you're gonna get better results, and I tell you why. Well, before start dermaplaning, clean your face and then get your alcohol, like 70% disinfectant alcohol, and then spray it on a cotton pad and then start rubbing all over your face. Why we are doing this is that first we are just disinfecting our skin, and the second most important thing why we are doing this, when you apply alcohol on the surface of your skin before dermaplaning, alcohol makes your hair to stand out, and then while you are dermaplaning, it gets better result in terms of removing the whole hair from your skin as well as the dead skin. So once you apply the alcohol, your hair stands firmly, like standing up all over your face, and give you better results while you're doing it. So you really do not need to apply any oil. I have been doing like that for years. I never apply any oil on my face, and I do dermaplaning and I get amazing results after just finishing my dermaplaning. Before applying any moisturizer or any kinds of skincare, my skin just feels like a baby skin, so soft and like cotton. So you do not need to apply any oil, so you can save up your oil. So the second secret which I'm gonna tell you about dermaplaning, which you're all the time getting it wrong, is that everybody, like most of the people, they think dermaplaning is very dangerous because it's going to cause your hair to regrow thicker and just increase your hair. Well, that's not true at all. As per the latest research, there is no proof showing that shaving any area of your body is going to cause the hair to regrow thicker. I am doing dermaplaning for more than 10 years over my skin, my face, and I never have this experience that my hair is regrowing faster, more increasing, or thicker. But there is one secret to it, and that's you do not want to shave the areas on your skin which already is growing thick hair. I am sure a lot of us, we have some kind of areas, small areas in different parts of our skin which is slightly growing one or two thick hair, which those areas better to be avoided being dermaplaned, and instead you can just remove it with the tweezer, or you can remove it with waxing rather to dermaplan it. So this way the dermaplaning is not going to cause the hair to be thicker and thicker over time. So for my case, I'm having a little bit of thick hair in this part of my face, which basically what I'm doing, I am avoiding this area of my face to be dermaplaned, and then instead I just put a wax strip and remove it with wax, which is much better than shaving it because it has slightly thick hair. So the secret is that you do not need to just be scared of dermaplaning all over your face because you have thick hair and you're scared. Just do not dermaplan over the areas that you've got thick hair, but you can do it all over other parts of your face. So let's go and start dermaplaning on my face, and I will reveal the last secrets once my dermaplan is finished. And first I'm going to go and do my upper lip. Of course I'm going to wax it, and then once it's done I'm going to do a dermaplan all over my face.
One too many episodes of Friends. Stupid boys got me rereading text. Though it makes me sick, I can't seem to quit the...
Okay guys, I did my upper lips and it's pretty good. Now my skin is ready for dermaplaning, and I'm gonna just start doing it and tell you how the dead skin and all the hair is gonna come out. And the other thing about dermaplaning is that people, they usually say that you have to just dermaplan towards downwards, never do it towards upside. These are all myths, and there is no reason that you should only do it this way or that way. It doesn't make any difference. I am doing it for more than 10 years in all the direction, and it's always the same. So just feel free, the way that your hand feels more comfortable, just do it that way. Let's get started. Okay guys, I want to show you when you do not put any oil over your skin, how smoothly you still can dermaplan. And with just only one part of my skin, you can see the amount of the dead skin that it came over the blade. I can show you better like that. You see? If you put any oil on your skin, you're not able to get this amount of dead skin and hair. So do not apply any oil. And of course, you do not want to go over the areas on your face you've got active acne, you've got active or bacterial pimple. You want to just avoid those areas. If you have any active wound, of course you need to avoid those areas. Always keep your razor the way that it's most comfortable, and do not hold it straight because you might cause injury to your skin. If it's your first time, You need to, you know, have some experience, so be very careful with these blades. Are really sharp, and you need to be really extra careful. You can see how easy it is to work with this 360 angle blade, and you can just hold it in any direction when you reach different angles of your face and easily do it perfectly.
Wasting my youth in pressing the snooze when the sun's still in view thin. Why do this? I'm being stupid.
One of the things that I got it through the experience is that if you dermaplane and shave your face in opposite direction of your hair growth, you will get more of dead skin and more of hair, rather if you do it towards the direction of your hair growth. That is what I got it from my experience.
Testing my limits now. Don't feel alive when I'm awake. Not sure if I'm okay. Been feeling like my body's about to break. Too melatonin deep, still can't put me to sleep. I'm laying here forever.
Okay guys, I did finish my dermaplaning. It was so quick, not even 10 minutes, and all the dirt and hair, dead skin, extra sebum, fat and white blackhead and everything, it's all over here, as you can see. So my skin already feels so soft like silk, but I'm gonna tell you the third secret here. Once you finish your dermaplaning, what you want to do is that you want to use a very light scrub on your face, very light. I'm going to link down a very nice and light scrub for you that you can get especially for your dermaplaning, after your dermaplaning, to apply. And after you did that, you need to do something very important. Let me go and do my scrub and come back and I'll tell you about the last secret. Okay guys, I did the light scrub on my face to get rid of all the remaining of the dead skin and residues. Now my skin is so smooth and soft. For the last touch up, to give the best glow and the best protein, which my skin right now needs it after dermaplaning, what you're gonna do is that you need papaya puree. Yes, so what I'm gonna do, I'm going to grate some fresh papaya and I'm gonna apply on my face, let it dry, and that is going to give a special natural glow and special protein peptide to my skin, because papaya has a special enzyme which is papain, and it's amazing for lifting and firming up your skin. Anciently it was like that. So right after dermaplaning, if you do it, it gives a maximum effect on your face. So we let this to dry as long as it takes. We can just go and relax. Once it's dry, we use makeup wipes and remove, because this is a kind of chunky face mask, so it's better first to remove it with the wipe and then go and just wash it off and use your skincare routine like a moisturizer, anti-wrinkle, whatever it is, and you're done. The process has finished perfectly. This is the right way to do dermaplaning every time you need it and you want to do it. Just go ahead and apply your daily routine cream, moisturizer, whatever you do, and enjoy your soft baby skin.